Blessings. So this hiatus that I took was necessary after my channel has received several strikes. So it was kind of to get back on track even though I'm far behind YouTube's algorithm. So today what I want to talk about is the Sentan fraction of the BUSS gang. The BUSS gang out of Mobile. Them have a few branches in Sentan Parish that has resulted in a few burials, couple of man drop out, man like Dan King, Takian, Solife, etc. and the list goes on. Cause them have them perp up there and make sure it's a Sentan well take care of. But that side of the BUSS gang that is situated in Sentan, they goes by the name of the Grimy Life family. Sales rep them a work at different branding, one company. And in this blog, I won't be able to mention everyone because they might get too much. Man like Foota, top scammer out of Town Trelawney who link with Mad-Dawg and Shawnee them, Dan King, Takian, Solife, and quite a few others will be in the next blog that is coming soon. So if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, be sure to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way there, you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe. So like I stated before, the BUSS gang out of St. James, them have a few branches in the Sentan Parish, seen in the Brownstone area, the northern section of Sentan. So the first one on the list is Mr. Mad-Dawg, the man who buy the 3 Mark X and a 2007 Bluebird Slifey plus the Crown Athlete. Him did live on Wesley Crescent Street, right next to the Brownstone car park, that street there. If you walk on that street there, it can left you downtown Brownstone. So coming from the north, after you pass Courts, the first right turn, that is Wesley Crescent Street. Mad-Dawg they don't on the road sometime cause the mother have a bar before you reach the shortcut if you go to Brownstone Cemetery. So basically, Mad-Dawg they in the town, but because him hot, him can't stay one place. And in this picture, he is standing on that same street with him trigger finger itchy, ready for throw down somebody. So Mr. Walker, I didn't ascertain your first name. However, top chopper, you scam, you chop a line and you buy over 8 gun. That's a big purchase for your one man. But the major problem is, and I like say, are you alone them assigned to? You already issue out a couple of them to your set up perp. You have a little foot soldier them. I browse out the place where I work under your orders. And I'm going to list out some of them. So tell them to listen out for them name because I'm going to mark the register. Them boy need schooling. Next on the list, we have Mr. Desrick Walters, the yes man. Him live in a section of Brownstone called Stanfast. The brother there, I work off a remote control. Cause him know say, if him act like him battery dead and no one move, on the way bust out him head. You understand me? So him have to ready if you go anywhere on to send him. So him have to stay fully charged, can't drop below 50% cause battery saver can't save him. When Mad-Dawg head get mad, him have to ready if you go anywhere them send him. So Desrick, I carry one of the Matic. Now watch him act fool sometime. I fi kinda trick the crowd, fi avoid the spotlight, fi take certain type of focus off of him, no one attract certain type of energy, if you understand me. But with all of that, and somebody for you play with. And as we go along, we have Dini from Stanfast as well. Now Dini move like a snake. Dini will sneak up on you when you least expect it and clap on in your head side and take off. And you will never know say Dini have a strap on him, cause most of the time him look like somebody for your surfer. Him dress a certain type of way. Him love wear marina, but him carry for him strap in him pants front, cause him have a revolver, one of them spinners there. So sometime when I think him a wall a piss off, like when they are jail and draw for your piss girl, sometime when I see him go up to a light post, like him a urinate, I fix him strap in him pants front, him a make sure say it's stay put. That is Dini, and Dini understand if you play with neither. Dini one of Mad-Dawg most precious foot soldier them in a Brownstown, cause Dini have whole heap of links. And it is said that Dini is very obedient to Mad-Dawg, lamb to a slaughter type of way. Anytime Mad-Dawg link him, he is always ready and available to render some form of assistance to Mad-Dawg. Very benevolent, easy to comply, is a good Samaritan where Mad-Dawg and Sean is concerned, and the Orange Hill man them, you understand me? And the Hills man them, stand fast, Orange Hill, Tracy, DB, Mad-Dawg, Shani, Desrick, Dini, Jovi, all of them man there. I control them place there. The next one, the other one, Jovi or Jovi. Him usually work over bank, some money usually forward in a theme name for the Grimy Life family sometimes. Him start out by playing a runner role, collect money, meet them a road and get them. Him recently fly out still. Same way 2 flights should have listened to Andy Spot and lift up when the G say cut. But because she feel like she make out a steal and she deal with bad man, so she's untouchable, she delay. Like she forgot to delay is danger. Anyway, Jovi or Jovi look like him pinch himself and realize he make out of flesh. And dead house can't full, not to mention Congo worm, cause a one tribe them have. Belly can never and will never reach nowhere near full. So when Jovi remember that there's 3 funeral parlor over him head up at Top Road Brownstown, him take with himself. When the roll is called up yonder, him no one did it. So Fame family, get him out quick, them no one bury him. So his vacancy is yet to be filled in the Senton fraction of the gang. Or I don't know if when him forward back, if when him flying back, he will resume and continue from where he left off. But because it is said that them sort out him papers in silent, privately, cause them fear some man might touch him. If them did know say boy, he must sort out to leave the island. So him kinda escape it, like the book I read back in all age that titled Escape to the Last Man Speak. Jovi escape or Jovi him escape it. And as we continue to establish the underworld celebrities, next up we have a selector brother them called Skinny. Now he's one of the elder that should know better. Instead he make the cat draw the donkey when the donkey fear draw the cat. How stupid. He make Mad-Dawg and Shania lead him straight to his burial spot. Skinny was one of the friendly type until Mad-Dawg them buy him out with scamming money and tell him say them a producer, because Mad-Dawg usually produce an artist that goes by the name of Promising. Before he change him name to Promising, him did name Street Dog. See? Promising mother said close in at the Brownstown Market or Arcade, close to the Parish Council bathroom. So that is where Skinny get drawn into the thing, cause Mad-Dawg them tell him say them a go give him a piece of food if him play Promising song them in each party where him get booked for. So it was like a promotional deal until Skinny fall for the root of all evil. But guess what? Tree go grow in her face when them bury him. And that is what happens when people fall too deep in love with money. It usually costs you your life. Cause a greedy one is always there that is not willing to exercise honesty. He want to take more than what he forget. Money. So Skinny take the bad man deal, cause it make him see more money than being a DJ, I guess. Get more money than when a promoter would pay him to come spin 2 songs at them event at a party. And from that, him think they kinda get watered down, slow down, lesser bookings. Sometimes you don't get none at all. Because you find out say when he start to get too deep with Mad-Dawg and Shani them, entourage start follow him go a party. Man like Dan King and Takian. Cause if you understand me, he must feed them DJ now. And because man start follow him go a party, as a security, as an entourage team, violation start going. Man start intimidate next man with gun, so in bookings drop. Cause Skinny name start to associate with certain type of thing, certain type of man, and certain excitement some people don't want at them place, don't want at them event. So that makes Skinny bookings drop. So at this side there, where Skinny is concerned, him lost him like a DJ career, him did a try for bill, him sell it out for scamming money, take up gunman lifestyle, a drive up and down in a Mark X, Nissan Bluebird, and Crown, and flop out himself. So that is the rise and fall of Skinny. Even though him not drop out physically yet, but is not too far. The next one to be gangster is Deno or Denamus. He is also one of the foot soldiers for Mad-Dawg and Shawnee who get the job done. You understand me? The shot caller. And you might be wondering why Mad-Dawg name is so frequently mentioned by me. Well, it's because Mad-Dawg is the main man, then Shawnee, then Foota. Those are the main three who give out the orders or pass on the message down to the foot soldiers who will get the job done as instructed. You have a next one where them call Foota. We don't have a picture of Foota yet. But apart from Mad-Dawg, we go buy a film set a gun them. A Foota store the ones coming from Mobile, the ones them where the BUSS gang send up. You understand me? If them shot a gun, if them shot ammunition, them send up some. A Foota do the transporting of the weapons. Him transport the guns and ammunition them. Him, Mad-Dawg and Shawnee are the three top BUSS members in a Sentan for the BUSS gang that operated out of Montego Bay. And them run off the Sentan side of business, the eastern side as a matter of fact, because them it all reach a Kingston now, and that is going to be in another blog. And the link there, make sure artist that goes by the name of Sickup out of Mobile. I know nothing from Sickup since recently. He come like him put on the music thing too and take up the badness full time. You understand me? Salt Spring man them. So it seems like in Park, his musical career has parked. Or you know, like I stated before, he decided to pursue a career in violence instead of music. So he's now a violence producer instead of being a music producer. Just like Mad-Dawg, we trick Skinny and tell him say boy, him go give him a piece of food for play promising song them in a party, and then them finally buy out Skinny full time. We start carry gun and bust gun. You understand me? For the Orange Hill man them, and the Tracy man them, and the Stand Fast man them, and the Hills man them. You understand me? That is how Sickup move from music to violence, and now in career is fully gunman. So that is it for this blog, but stick around because I'm going to tell you about the Kingston fraction of the BUSS gang, one of the biggest and most successful scammer out of Trelawney. Left and got town, got open a big car mart, big business, you understand me, in Kingston, selling quite a number of vehicles to people in and around the vicinity, if you understand me. So stick around for that blog, and remember, if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here bro, please I'm asking you to subscribe sis, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way there you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Soon forward.